Feeling low on energy, losing muscle mass, or just not feeling your peak? You might be experiencing the effects of low testosterone. Testosterone, or T, is a vital hormone for men and important for women too, influencing everything from muscle growth and energy to mood and metabolism. The good news? While T levels naturally decline with age, you have incredible power to optimize your levels naturally. Forget the quick fixes. Here are 5 science-backed natural strategies to help you boost your testosterone. Number 1, hit the weights. Resistance training is one of the most effective ways to signal your body to produce more testosterone. It's simple. When you challenge your muscles, your body responds by boosting hormone production to help them recover and grow. Tip: focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, as these engage the largest muscle groups and yield the greatest hormonal response. Aim for high intensity and short rest periods. Number 2 is crucial, but often overlooked. Prioritize sleep. Most of your daily testosterone is produced while you're sleeping, specifically during REM cycles. The science. Studies show that sleeping less than 5 hours per night can reduce testosterone levels by 10 to 15% the next day. Action. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of consistent, high-quality sleep every single night. Treat it like a non-negotiable appointment. Strategy number 3. Minimize chronic stress. When you are constantly stressed, your body pumps out the stress hormone, cortisol. The problem: cortisol and testosterone have an inverse relationship. When cortisol goes up, testosterone often goes down. Action: practice stress reduction techniques daily. That could be meditation, deep breathing exercises, or a simple 15-minute walk in nature. Fourth, optimize your diet. Testosterone is synthesized from cholesterol. That means you need enough healthy fats and proteins in your diet. Healthy fats. Don't fear fats. Monounsaturated and saturated fats from sources like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and healthy red meat are essential building blocks for the hormone. Protein. Adequate protein from lean meats, eggs, and fish is necessary for muscle building, which directly supports T production. The final strategy: boost vitamin D. This isn't just a vitamin, it's technically a hormone, and it plays a critical role in testosterone regulation. Action: get regular sun exposure, safely, or supplement. Research has repeatedly linked sufficient vitamin D levels to higher circulating testosterone. If you live in a northern climate, supplementing is highly recommended. Raising your T levels naturally is about consistent, healthy habits. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, lifting, sleeping, managing stress, eating right, and getting sun are your roadmap to a healthier, more energized you. Important disclaimer: if you suspect you have clinically low testosterone or a medical condition, please consult with a qualified healthcare professional. This video is for informational purposes only. Which strategy are you going to start with today? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe for more science-backed health tips.